Go friend, we will be start the first chapter of 5.1 is data handling chapter. Okay, the first question of the data handling chapter is for which of these would you use a histogram to show data. Okay, there are four data presented here. Data A, the number of letters for different areas in a postman's bags. Okay, the numbers of letters for different areas in a postman's. That means in different area postman's number of bags. Okay, and the big questions, the height of competitors. The height of competitors in an athletic meet. That means in athletic game the total height of a competitor. Okay, and the C questions is the number of cassettes produced by 5 companies. The number of cassettes produced by 5 companies. That means the 5 company is produced different type of cassette. Okay, and D, the number of passengers boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. at a station. Okay, so we will be use a histogram in which data. Okay, then the first in case of the data in alternative solution. Okay, solution in case of the data, in case of the data in case of the data given in alternative questions B, data B and data D, data B and data D, we will use histogram. We will use histogram. Because as we can we can divide the given data in class intervals. We can divide the given data in class intervals. We can divide the given data. Divide the given data in class intervals. Data in class intervals, because in case of D data, the number of passengers boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. in 12 hours. Any one train comes out to 8 a.m. and another train is 9 a.m. and another train is 10 a.m. and so on. Okay, so we will use histogram because as we can divide the given data in class intervals. Okay, that means any train comes to 7 a.m. and another comes to 8 a.m. and next another comes to 9 a.m. and so on. Okay, so we will use histogram because as we can divide the given data in class intervals. Okay, and in this data B, A and C, in this data B and C, data A and C, data A and C, okay, A and C. In case of alternatives A and C, we do not know about the numbers of letters of different areas. Okay, we do not in case of A and C, we do not know about the number of letters of different areas and the number of cassettes produced by the given company. We do not have any approximate idea about it. Therefore, we cannot define class intervals for this data. Okay, and thus we will not use histogram. Okay. In case of data A and C, we do not know about the numbers. We do not know about the number, about the number of letters of different areas, different areas, and the number of cassettes produced by, cassettes produced by, and the number of cassettes produced by the given companies. Okay. The given companies, produced by the given companies. We do not have any approximate idea about it. We do not have any approximate idea about it. Okay. Idea about it. Therefore, we cannot define class. Therefore, we cannot define class intervals. We cannot define class intervals. For this data, and thus we will not use a histogram. We will not use a histogram. Okay. We will not use a histogram. Okay. So, my dear friends, in questions first is complete. The question first is for which of these would you use a histogram to show the data? Okay. Then data first is the number of letters for different areas in a postman's bags. Second data is the height of competitors in an athlete's meet. And C is the number of cassettes produced by 5 companies. And D is the number of passengers boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. at a station. Okay. Solution. In case of the data given in alternative B and D, the B data is the height of companies in an athlete meet, the height of competitors in an athletics meet, and D is the number of passengers boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. at a station. Okay. In case of the data given in alternative B and D, we will use histogram. Because we can divide the given data in class intervals. In questions B, the height of competitors in an athletics. Some athletics is 5 feet. Some athletics is 5.6 feet. Some athletics is 7.4 feet. So we can distribute in different types of data. Okay. So we can divide given data in class intervals. In case of B. Okay. And in case of D, we also can divide in different data of the train time. Okay, so in case of data given in alternative B and D, we will use histogram because as we can divide the given data in class intervals. Given data in class intervals. Okay, we will use histogram. We will use histogram because as we can divide the given data in class intervals. And in case of C, A and C, and in case of A and C, we do not know about the numbers of letters of different areas and the numbers of cassettes produced by the given company and the number of cassettes produced by the given company. Number of cassettes produced by the given company. Okay, the number of cassettes produced by the given company we do not know. Okay, so we do not know about the number of letters of different areas. Okay, in case of first, and the number of cassettes produced by the given companies, we do not know any approximate idea about it. Okay, therefore we cannot define the class intervals for this data, and this we will not use a histogram. Okay, next questions. Questions number 2. Next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Okay, in case of question number 2, the sappers who come to a departmental store are marked as man M, woman W, boys B, or girls Z. The following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hours in the morning. Okay, and they are given data, and make a frequency distribution table using tally marks. Draw a bar graph to illustrate it. Okay, solution. Okay, solution. The shopkeepers, shoppers. This is shoppers. Okay, and next is tally mark. Next is tally marks. And the third is frequency. Okay, third is frequency. Okay, by observing the data given above, we can make a frequency distribution table as follows: shoppers, tally marks, and frequency. Okay, so shoppers, woman, woman, man, and boys, and girl. Last, girl. Okay, frequency. How many times woman? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 times. How many times? 28 times. Then the frequency is 28. Okay, and tally marks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5, 5, 10, 5, 15, 5, 20, 5, 28, and 28, sorry, 5, 5, 10, 5, 15, 5, 20, 5, 25 plus 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay. And next is a man. Next is man. Okay, man. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 times. Man, 15 times. Then the frequency is 15. And the tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5, 10, 5, 15 man suppose. Okay. And boys suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. The voice suppose is 5. Then in frequency is 5 and telemax is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the girl suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Girls suppose 12. Then the frequency is girls is 12. And in telemarks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5, 10. And 1, 2. 10 plus 2, 12. Okay. The bar graph of this data can be drawn as follows. And in question bar graph, in questions, make a frequency distribution table using tally marks, draw a bar graph to illustrate it. Okay. Then the bar graph of this data, the bar graph of this data can be drawn as follow. Can be drawn as follow. Okay. Can be drawn as follow. This line is show, and that means vertical line is show the number of shoppers. This line is drawn the number of shoppers, and this line is drawn the shopper's name. Okay. Then 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. Okay, 45. Okay. Omen, how many is 28? This is a shoppers. This is shoppers. This is the number of shoppers, and this is shoppers. Okay. First shoppers is woman. How many times? 28. How many? 28. Then 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay. And here. 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay. This is the Oman data. And next is man. How many times? 15 times. 0, 5, 10, 15. Okay. This data, this bar in graph is up to 15 numbers. Okay. Then 15. This is men's. This is men's. And third is boys. Third is boys. Boy, how many times? 5 times. Then 5. This boys bar graph is go on 5. Up to 5. Okay. This is boys suppose. This suppose boys. Boys. And next is girls. Next is girls suppose. Next is girls suppose. How many times? 12 times. Then the 0, 5, 10, 11, 12. That means up to 12. The bar graph of girls is up to 12. Go to up to 12. Okay. This is girls. Okay. Thank you. Question 3. The weekly wages in areas of 30 workers in a factory are 830, 835, 890, 810, 835, 836 and so on. Okay. Using tally marks, make a frequency table with intervals as 800 to 810, 810 to 820 and so on. Okay. And solution. A frequency distribution table by using tally marks for the above data is as follows. Okay. Intervals, interval, tally mark and frequency. Okay. Intervals, tally marks and frequency. Okay. First is 800 to 810. Second is 810 to 820. Third is 820 to 830. And fourth is 830 to 840. And fifth is 840 to 850. And 850 to 860. And 860 to 870. And 870 to 880. And 880 to 890. 890. This is the intervals. This is the class intervals. And the given data, in given data, how many times any number comes to. Okay. Then any numbers that 800 to 810, 800 to 810 is 801, 2, 3, only 3 times, only 3 times. Then the frequency is 3. Okay. The tally marks 1, 2, 3. Okay. And next data is 800 to 820. Next data between 810 to 820. Then the 810 to 820 is 1, two, two, only two data, okay? Then the tally marks is 1, 2, okay? And any data which between 820 to 830, 820 to 830, then the 820 to 830 is 821, and not other, okay? Only one data, 820. Only one data which is between 820 to 830, okay? Then the tally max is 1, okay? And that data which 830 to 840, 830 to 840, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 data, okay? 9 data. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? And next is 842, 850 data, 842, 850, okay? One, two, three, 4, 5, okay? 5 data. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that data which 850 to 860, 850 to 860, okay? 850 to 860. One. Only one data. One data, okay? There is one. And 860 to 870. 860 to 870, okay? One. Two. Three data. And 1, 2, 3, okay? And 870 to 880, only one data. That is one. And 880 to 890, one data. The mark is 1. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Number 4. Draw a histogram. Draw a histogram for the frequency table made for the data and question number 3. Data in question number 3 and answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay. Questions first. Which group has the maximum number of workers? How many workers earn 850 and more? And how many workers earn less than 850 rupees? Okay. Solution. The histogram for the above frequency distribution table as follow. Okay. This is the number of workers. Number of workers. Number of workers. This is the number of workers. And this is the weekly wages. Weekly wages. Areas. Okay. Then first is first is 800 to 810. Second is 810 to 820. Third is 820 to 830. Fourth is 830 to 840. And fifth is 840 to 850. And sixth is 850 to 860. And seven is 860 to 870. And next is 870 to 880. And next is 880 to 890. Okay. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And the first is 800 to 810. 800 to 810. How many workers? 800 to 810. How many workers? How many workers? 3 workers. Only 3 workers. How many workers? Only 3 workers. Then the bar graph go up to 3. And next is 800 10 to 820. 810 to 820. How many workers? 810 to 820. How many workers? 2 workers. How many workers? 2 workers. Then the graph is go up to 2. And 820 to 830. 820 to 830. How many workers? 9 workers. How many workers? 9 workers. How many workers? 9 workers. 820 to 830. 820 to 830. Only 1 workers. Only 1 workers. 820 to 830. Only 1 workers. Okay. Then this graph go up to only 1. Only 1. Okay. And 830 to 840. 9 workers. 830 to 840. 9 workers. Then the graph go up to 9. Go up to 9. Okay. Number of laborers 9. 9 laborers earning it and the rupees between 830 to 840. Okay. And 840 to 850 is how many workers? 5 workers. How many workers? 5 workers. Then this graph is go up to 5. Go up to 5. Okay. This graph is go up to 5. Okay. And 850 to 860, how many workers earning money between 850 to 860? 850 to 860, how many workers earning money? Only one worker. So the graph is go up to 1. Okay. According to previous questions, that means question number 3, according to the solution of question number 3. Okay. We will be solving these questions according to question number 3 solution. Okay. And next is that number of workers which earn the money between 860 to 870 rupees. How many workers? 860 to 870, 3 workers. Then the graph go up to 3. Okay. Go up to 3. And the workers earn money between 870 to 880. The numbers of workers is 870 to 880. Only one worker. Then the graph go up to 1. And the workers which earn the money between 880 to 890. Only one worker. So this graph will go up to 1. Okay. And the workers which earn money 890 to 900, 890 to 900, 890 to 900. How many workers? According to question number 3. According to question number 3, 4 workers. How many workers? 4 workers. So this graph is go up to 4. Okay. 4. Okay. First questions. Which group has the maximum number of workers? This group has maximum numbers of workers. Then the 800 to 840, because the bar graph is maximum height in this. Okay. So 800, 830 to 840 is the group. Group which has the maximum number of workers. Which has the maximum number of workers. Okay. Second point. The workers who earn more than. Second point. How many workers earn 850 and more? Solution. The workers who earn more than 850. The workers who earn more than 850, earn more than 850, more than 850 are the numbers of workers who fall up. 850 are the number of workers who fall in the group of 850 to 860 or 860 to 870 or 870 to 880 or 880 to 890. Hence, the total number of workers, the total number of workers workers earning more than 850, earning more than 850 will be the sum of the numbers of all these workers. Sum of the numbers of all these workers. Okay. Then is that 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 equal to 10 workers. Okay. Third question. Question number third. In how many workers earn less than Rs 50? How many workers earn less than Rs 50? The workers who earn less than Rs 850. The workers who earn less than Rs 850 are the number of workers who fall in the group 800 to 810 are 810 to 820 are 820 to 830 are 830 to 840 are 840 to 850. Hence the total number of workers. Total numbers of workers earning less than 850, earning less than 850 will be the sum of the number of all these workers. Sum of the numbers of all these workers is that 810 to 810 is 3 plus 810 to 820 is 2 plus 820 to 830 is 1 plus 830 to 840 is 9 plus 840 to 850 is 5. So 3 plus 2 5 1 6 9 15 5 20 workers. Okay. Answer. Okay, thank you. Number 5. The number of hours for which students for a particular class watch the television during holiday is shown through the given graph. Okay. First question. For how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV, and how many students watch TV for less than 4 hours, and how many students spent more than 5 hours in watching TV? Okay. This is the bar graph. Number of students. This is the number of students, and this is the hours of TV watching per day. Okay. This is the hours of TV watched per day. Okay. Solution. Question number first. For how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? Okay. Solution. From the graph, it can be observed that observed that the maximum number of students maximum number of students watch the TV for. From the graph, it can be observed that the maximum number of students watch the TV for 4 to 5 hours. 4 to 5 hours. Okay? Because 32 is the maximum number of students and 4 to 5 hours. Okay? And second question. How many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? How many students? The student who watch TV, the student who watch the TV for less than 4 hours. For less than 4 hours are the student who watch TV are the student who watch the TV for 1 to 2 hours. 1 to 2 hours are 2 to 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours are 3 to 4 hours. 3 to 4 hours. 3 to 4 hours. 3 to 4 hours. Okay? The student who watch TV for less than 4 hours, 1 to 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and 3 to 4 hours student watch the TV, that is less than 4. Okay? Question number third. Okay? How many students spend more than 5 hours in watching TV? How many students more than in watching TV? And according to question number second, hence the total number of students, total number of student is 1 to 2 hours 4 students, plus 2 to 3 hours 8 students, plus 3 to 4 hours 22 students. That means 4 at 12 plus 22, 34 students. Question number third. How many students spent more than 5 hours in watching TV? How many students? The student who watch the TV. The student who watch the TV. The student who watch the TV for more than 5 hours. For more than 5 hours. Are the student who watched TV for 5 to 6 hours. 5 to 6 hours are 6 to 7 hours. 6 to 7 hours. Okay? Hence total number of student equal to 5 to 6 hours 8 student plus 6 to 7 hours 6 student. That means 14 students. How many students? 14 students. Okay? Question. The number of hours for which student of a particular lesson class watch the television during holiday is shown through the given graph. This is the given graph. And first question, how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? How many hours the maximum number of students watch TV? Then the 32 students is maximum watch the TV. The time intervals is 4 to 5. 4 to 5. Okay. So from the graph it can be observed that the maximum number of students watch TV for 4 to 5 hours. 4 to 5 hours. There are 32 students watch the TV. Second question, the student who watch TV for how many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? Then the less than 4 hours, the 4 hours up to 4, the 1 to 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours and 3 to 4 hours. There is a less between 4. So the student who watch the TV for less than 4 hours are the student who watch TV for 1 to 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours or 3 to 4 hours. 3 to 4 hours. Hence the total number of students between 1 to 4 hours is 1 to 2, 4 students plus 2 to 3, 8 students plus 3 to 4, 22 students. Then 4 plus 8 plus 22 equal to 34 students. Question number 3. How many students spent more than 5 hours in watching TV? That means that student watch the TV more than 2 from 5. So the 5 more than from 5 to 6, 8 students and 6 to 7, 6 students. So the student who watch TV for more than 5 hours are the student who watch the TV for 5 to 6 hours or 6 to 7 hours. 5 to 6 hours and 6 to 7 hours is more time than 5 times, okay? 5 hours. So hence the total number of students is 5 to 6, 8 students plus 6 to 7, 6 students. So 8 plus 6, how many students? 14 students. Okay, this clear? Thank you. Exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2, question number 1. A survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people like in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the finding of this survey. From this pie chart, answer the following. Okay. Question number first. If 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Second question. Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? And third question. If a classical company were to make 1,000 CD, how many each of type would they make? Okay. First answer. Solution. First, number of people who like classical music. Okay. Classical music. Number of people who like classical music. Classical music equal to 10% according to pie chart. Classical music 10% according to pie chart. Okay. This 10% represented 20 people. This 10% represents 20 people. 20 people according to question number first. If 20 people like classical music, okay, how many young people were surveyed? Okay, 100%. 100%. In 100%, 20 multiply 100 upon 10, that means 200 people, okay? 200 people, okay? This is 10%, okay? Therefore, 200 young people, 200 young young people, 200 young people were surveyed, were surveyed, were surveyed. Second question solution. Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Okay. Which type of music is liked by maximum number of people? Solution. From the pie chart, it can be easily observed. It can be easily observed that the light music is represented by the maximum part of the pie chart. Approximately 40%. Hence, most of the people like chart, like music. Okay, because question number 2, which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Which type of the music is liked by the maximum number of people according to pie chart? Okay, according to pie chart, it's a light music. Which music? Light music is maximum because this is the 40%. So from the pie chart, it can easily observed that the light music is represented by the maximum. Light chart is the music is represented by maximum part of the pie chart, approximately 40%. Hence, most of the people the light music. Okay. Third question number 3. If a cassette company were to make 1,000 CD, how many of each type would they make? Okay. The number of CD of classical music 10% of 1,000. Okay. Number of CDs classical music equal to 10% of 1,000. Okay, 10% of 1,000. Then 10 upon 100 multiply 1,000. 10 upon 100 multiply 1,000 equal to 100. Number of CD of semi-classical music. Number of CDs of semi-classical music equal to 20% of 1,000 equal to 20 upon 100 multiply 1,000. This is 200. How many hundred? 200. Okay. And number of CD of folk music and the number of CDs of folk music is 30% of 1,000. 30% of 1,000. There is 30 upon 100 multiply 1,000. 20 cancel out by 100. Then 300. How many? 300s. Okay. And number of cassettes of light music and the number of number of cassettes of light, number of cassettes of light music equal to 40% of 1000, 40% of 1000, then 40 multiply 40 upon 100 multiply 1000, 40 upon 100 multiply 1000, 40 upon 100 multiply 1000, then 2 zeros cancel out by 2 0, and 40 multiply 10 equal to 400, okay. Third question, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? How many of each type would they make? Then light music cassette 40% in 1000, 20% semi-classical music, and 10% classical, and folk is 30%. Okay. The number of CD of classical music. The number of CD of classical music 10%. Then 10% of 1000, because total cassette made is 1000 CD cassettes. Okay. Then 1000 of 10% is 10% of 1000 is 10 upon 100 multiply 1000 equal to 100 cassettes of CD of classical music, and number of CD semi-classical music is 20%. Then 1000 total cassettes is 1000. Then 20% of 1000 is 20 upon 100 multiply 1000. That is 200. And number of CD of folk music, but folk music is 30% of 1000, then 30 upon 100 multiply thousands equal to 300, and cassettes are light one, and light 40% light music cassettes. So number of cassettes of light music is 40% of 1000 equal to 40 upon 100 multiply 1000 equal to 400 cassettes. Okay, good. Thank you. Next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. A group of 360 people. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the 3 seasons: rainy, winter, and summer. Okay. Question first. Which season got the most votes? Which season got the most votes? And second question, find the central angle of each sector. And third question, draw a pie chart to show this. Okay. Solution. First question. A group of 360 people which asked to vote for their favorite season from the 3 seasons, the rainy, winter, and summer. First question, which season got the most vote? Which season got the most vote? Winter got the most vote because season number of people: summer 90, rainy 120, and winter 150. Then the winter. Which season? Winter. Winter season. Okay. Question 2. Question 2. Find the central angle of each sector. Find the central of each sector. Then this is the season. This is the season. Number of votes. Number of votes. Number of votes. And infraction. And central angle. This is central angle. This is central angle. Okay. This is central angle. This is season. This is number of votes. This is infraction, and this is central angle. Summer season. In summer season, number of votes. Summer season number of votes 90. Number of votes 90. Infraction 90 upon 360. Infraction 90 upon 360. That is a 90 upon 360 multiply 360 equal to 90 degree. Equal to 90 degree. Okay. Equal to 90 degree. And second is rainy. Second is rainy season. In rainy season 150. Rainy season 150. In rainy season 120. Then infraction is 120 upon 360. 120 upon 360. This is cancel out, and 1 upon 3 multiply 360 equal to 120 degree. Equal to 120 degree. Okay. Next is winter season. Next is winter season. In winter season, how many? 150. How many? 150. Then 150 number of votes. 150 number of votes. 150, and in fraction 150 upon 360. 150 upon 360. And then this is 15 upon 36 multiply 360 equal to 150 angle. Why we will divide all 90, 120 and 150 by 360? Because in total is 90 plus 120 plus 150 equal to 360. So we will be divided all season votes by 360. Okay, to find out the fraction number. Okay, and after fraction number, find the central angle to find by multiply by 360 degree, because total central angle is 360 degree. So if any fraction 3 upon 4 or 5 upon 4 or 1 upon 2 is multiplied by 360 degree to find the central angle. So we will be multiplied by 360 degree. Okay. This is the season, number of votes in fraction, central angle. Season, summer, rainy, winter. Number of votes 90, 120, 150 according to question. So 90, 120, 150, and in fraction, convert in fraction 90 upon 360, because the total sum of this is 360 degree. Okay, so 90 upon 360, and rainy season 120 upon 360. Why 120 divided by 360? Because the total sum of is 360. Okay, and 150 upon 360, and total is change in fraction, and 90 upon 360 multiplied by 360. 360 is cancelled out by 360, then this value is 90 degree, and 1 upon 3. 12 1 is 12, 12 3 is 36, so 1 upon 3 multiply 36 to change in central angle equal to 120 degree, and 150 upon 360, 0 is cancelled out by 0, and 15 upon 36. 15 upon 36 multiply to 360 degree to convert central angle. Total is 150 degree. Okay. Third question. A pie chart can be drawn for the above data as follow. A pie chart can be drawn for the above data as follow. Okay, above data as follow. Okay, this is a pie or a circle, and winter is 150 degree. 150 degree winter is 150 degree, and summer is 90 degree. Summer is 90 degree, and left is rainy day which 120 degree. Okay, thank you. Question number 3. Draw a pie chart following the information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. Okay, color number of people: blue color 18, green color number of people 9, red color 6, yellow color 3, and total is 36. Okay, this is a solution. Okay, the central angle for each colors can be calculated as follow. The central angle for each color is color can be calculated as follows. Okay, this is color, number of people in fraction, central angle, okay. Blue color, next is green color, next is red color, and next is yellow color, okay. This is total color and number of people, 18 in blue color, 9 in green color, and 6 in red color, and 3 in yellow color. And we will be also converted into fraction, okay. Then the total sum of this color is 36, because 3, 6, 9, 18, 36, because total is 36. So we will be all peoples of different color is divided by 36, because in converting fraction the total number is 36, okay. 18 upon 36, 9 upon 36, 6 upon 36, and 3 upon 36. This is 1 upon 2, this is 1 upon 4, this is 1 upon 6, and this is 1 upon 12, okay. And how to find the central angles? We will be multiply by 360 in fraction, because in a total central angle is 360 degree, okay. So 1 upon 2 multiply 360 degree, 1 upon 4 multiply 360 degree, 1 upon 6 multiply 360 degree, and 1 upon 12 multiply 360 degree. This is converting 180 degree, and this is change in 90 degree, and this is change in 60 degree, and this is change in 30 degree, okay. The pie chart of the above data is as follow. The pie chart of the above data as follows. This is the circle, and blue color is 180 degree, but in a straight line angle make 180 degree. This is blue color, and 90 degree, green is 90 degree. So the green is 90 degree, green, and left red is 60 degree. Red is 60 degree. Red is 60 degree. 60 degree red, and yellow is 30 degree. Yellow is 30 degree. Okay. Thank you. Next question. Question number 4. The adjoining pie charts gives the marks scored in examination by a student. Okay. In Hindi, English, Mathematics, Social Science, and Science. If the total marks obtained by the student were 540, answer the following questions. Okay. First question. In which subject did the student score 105 marks? Hint for 540 marks. The central angle is 360 degrees. Show for 105 marks. What is the central angle? Second question. How many more marks were obtained by the students mathematics that in Hindi? And examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in the social science and mathematics is more than science and Hindi. Okay. Hint, just study the central angle. Okay. Solution. 1 minute. Solution. Total marks obtained by the student are total marks obtained by the student. The students are 540. Okay. Hence 540 marks represented 360 degree. Hence 540 marks represent 360 degree. Okay. The central angle for 105 marks has to be calculated. Okay. Central angle for 105 marks equal to 105 upon 540 multiply 360 degree equal to 70 degree. Okay. Hindi is the subject having its central angle as 70 degree. Hindi is the subject having its central angle as 70 degree. Central angle as 70 degree. Okay. Therefore, the student scored 105 marks in Hindi. Therefore, first solution. Therefore, the student scored 105 marks in Hindi. Okay. Second question. Okay. In which subject did the student score 105 marks? Second question. How many more marks were obtained by the students mathematics in Hindi? Okay. Difference between the central angle of mathematics and Hindi. Difference between the central angle of mathematics and Hindi. In mathematics 90% and in Hindi mathematics 90 degree and Hindi 70 degree. Okay. Then 90 degree minus 70 degree equal to 20 degree. Okay. 20 degree. Pie chart. 20 degree. Okay. Mark 20 degree central angle. Mark for 20 degree central angle. 20 degree central angle equal to 20 upon 360 multiply 540 equal to 30. Okay. There is difference of 30 marks between the score obtained in mathematics and Hindi. There is a difference. There is a difference of 30 marks. Of 30 marks. There is a difference of 30 marks between the score obtained in mathematics and Hindi. In mathematics and Hindi. In mathematics and Hindi. Okay. Hindi. Okay. Third question. Therefore, 30 marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi. Therefore, 30 more marks were obtained. Therefore, 30 more marks were obtained. 30 more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi. Okay. Third question. Examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than in science and Hindi. Okay. Solution. Third question. Solution. Sum of central angles of social science and mathematics. Sum of central angles of science and Hindi. Science and Hindi. In science and Hindi. Then science, central angle of science is 80 degree plus. In Hindi, 70 degree. How many 70 degree? Total is 150 degree. Okay. Then the sum of the central angle. The sum of the central angle for social science and mathematics is more than that of science and Hindi. Science and Hindi. Therefore, the student scored more in social science and mathematics than in science and Hindi. Okay. Thank you. Question number 5. The number of students in a hostel speaking different language is given below. Displays the data in pie chart. Okay. Language Hindi. Number of students 40. English 12 students. Marathi 90 students. Tamil 7 students. Bengali 4 students. And total is 22 students. Okay. Then solution. Solution. The central angle for each subject. The central angle. The central angle. The central angle. Angle for the central angle for each subject. Each subject. The central angle for each subject can be calculated. Can be calculated. Can be calculated as follows. As follows. Okay. Language. Language. Number of students. Number of students. Number of students. And infraction. Infraction. And central angle. And central angle. Central angle. Okay. Central angle. First language is Hindi. First language is Hindi. Hindi. Okay. And second language English. Second language English. Second language English. English. Second language is English. And third language Marathi. 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 And fourth language is Tamil. Tamil. And next language is Bengali. Bengali. Okay. Next language is Bengali. Okay. Number of students. Hindi 40 students. Hindi 40 students. And English 12 students. English 12 students. And Marathi 9 students. Marathi 9 students. And Tamil is 7 students. And Bengali 4 students. Bengali 4 students. Then total 40, 12, 52 and 9, 61, 4, 65, 65 or 7, 65, 7, 72. Okay. Number of students. And infraction. Total number of students is 72. Total number of students is 72. So 40 upon 72, 12 upon 72, and 9 upon 72, and 7 upon 72, and 4 upon 72. Okay. This is a central angle. 40 upon 72 multiply 360 degree. Okay. Equal to 200 degree. Next is 12 upon 72 multiply 360 degree equal to 60 degree. And next is a 9 upon 72 multiply 360 degree equal to 45 degree. And next is a 7 upon 72 multiply 360 degree equal to 45 degree. And 35 degree. And next is a 4 upon 70 multiply 360 degree. That means 1 upon 80 multiply 360 degree equal to 20 degree. Okay. Okay. A pie chart of the above data is as follows. Pie chart. A pie chart of the above data is as follows. Okay. degree Hindi, Hindi, 200 degree Hindi, English 60 degree, 60 degree English, English 60 degree, and Marathi 45 degree. Marathi, Marathi 45 degree, and Bengali 20 degree, Bengali 20 degree, 20 degree Bengali, and Tamil 35 degree, Tamil 35 degree. Okay, totally general. Okay, and next exercise. List the outcomes you can see in these experiments. Okay, first question is spinning a wheel, second question tossing two coins together. Okay, solution. And spinning the given wheel, the possible outcomes are A, B, C, D. Are A, B, C, D. Total outcomes. Okay. B question, tossing two coins. By tossing two coins together, the possible outcomes are head, tail. By tossing two coins. By tossing two coins together, the possible outcomes head, tail, or tail, head, or head, head, or tail, tail. Where H and T represents head and tail of the coins respectively. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Okay. When a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of getting. Okay. Question. When a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event when getting. First question. A prime number B, not a prime number. Second question. A number greater than 5. A number greater than 5. Okay. Big questions. A number not greater than 5. Okay. When a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of getting. First question, a prime number. Second question, not a prime number. In second question, a number greater than 5, a number not greater than 5. Okay. Solution. Okay. When a die is thrown, the possible outcomes are when a die is thrown, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because total 6. Okay? In a die. First question. A prime number. Out of these outcomes, prime number 2 or 3 or 5 are prime numbers. numbers, and hence these are the outcomes of an event. Hence these are the outcomes. These are the outcomes. These are the outcomes of an event. Of getting a prime number. Getting a prime number on the face of dice. On the face of a dice. Okay? B questions. In first B questions, out of these outcomes, second question is not a prime number, okay? Out of these outcomes, 1, 4, 6 are not prime number. 6 are not prime number. 6 are not prime number. Hence these are the outcomes. These are the outcomes of an event of not getting a prime number on the face of a dice. A prime number on the face of a dice. Prime number on the face of a dice. Okay? Second solution. Second question is a number greater than 5 or number not greater than 5. Okay? 1 minute. Second question. Second question is a number greater than 5. Okay? Out of these outcomes, a number greater than 5, out of these outcomes, a number greater than 5 is possible. When 6 comes on the face. Possible when 6 outcomes. 6 outcomes on the face of the dice. On the face of the dice. Out of these outcomes, a number greater than 5 is possible when the 6 outcomes on the face of the dice. Okay? B question solution. B. Okay? B, a number not greater than 5. Okay? Out of these outcomes, a number not greater than 5, a number not greater than 5, is possible when the number on the face of the dice of the dice is anyone of the outcomes. Any one of the outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question number 3. Question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3. 1 minute. Question number 3. Find the possibility. Find the A. Probability of the pointer stopping on D in question number 1. Probability of the pointer stopping on D in question number 1A. Okay. B question. Probability of getting an S. Probability of getting an S from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. Okay. C. Probability of getting a red apple. See figure below. Okay. This is the figure. Okay. GRR and RGR and this is G. Okay. Solution. First question. The pointer can stop at one. The pointer can stop. The pointer can stop at one of the following regions. A, B, C, D. Okay. Out of these 5 cases, it is possible only in one case. It is possible only in one case that the pointer will stop at region D. According to question first. Okay. According to question first, the pointer can stop at one of the following regions A, B, C, D. Okay. Out of these 5 cases, it is possible only in one case that the pointer will stop at a region. Okay. Region D. Okay. Therefore, probability of that pointer will stop. Therefore, probability that the pointer will stop at region D equal to 1 upon 5. Okay. Second question. There are the total second questions. Okay. Second question. There are total 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. There are a total 7 apples. 7 apples. Okay. Out of which 4 are red. 1, 2, 3, 4 are red, and 3 are green. Okay. Probability of getting, then probability of getting a red apple equal to 4 upon 7. Okay. Question number 4. Number 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate Number 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips, a number on one slip. Okay. Kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. What is the probability of getting a number 6, getting a number less than 6, getting a number greater than 6, and getting a number 1 digit number? Okay. Solution. First question. There are 10 slips. There are 10 slips in the box. There are 10 slips in the box. However, 6 is written only on one slip. Probability of getting a number, then probability of getting a number 6 is 1 by 10. Okay. Second question. The number less than 6 are the number less than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probability of getting a number less than 6. Probability of getting a number less than 6 less than 6 equal to 5 upon 10 equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. And the third question, the number greater greater than 6, the number greater than 6, the number greater than 6, the number greater than 6 are 7, 8, 9, 10. Then probability of getting a number, probability of getting a number, probability of getting a number greater than 6 are 4 upon 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 upon total number is 10. Okay. 4 upon 10 equal to 2 upon 5. And fourth question. Question number 4. There are 9 numbers which are single digit numbers. There are 9 number which are single digit number, which are single digit number. Okay. Single digit number. Probability of getting a single digit number. Probability of getting a single digit number. A single digit number is 9 upon 10. Okay. Question number 5. Okay. If you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sector, if you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sector, 1 blue sector. If you spinning a wheel with 3 green sector, 1, 2, 3 green sector, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector. Okay. 1 blue sector and 1 red sector. Okay. What is the probability of getting a green sector? Green sector probability. What is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? Okay. Then questions. What is the probability? What is the probability of getting a green sector? What is the probability of getting a green sector? And what is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? Okay. Solution. Total sectors equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sectors. There are 5 sectors and we can get a green sector in the cases, 3 cases. Probability of getting a green sector equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 green, then 3 upon total number of sector 5. 3 upon 5. Okay. And we will get a non-blue sector. This is blue, non-blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Non-blue sector when we will get either a green sector or red sector. Hence 4 cases of such type of we will get a non-blue sector. Non-blue sector. This is only 1 blue sector and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 is non-blue sector. Then probability of getting probability of getting a non-blue sector equal to non-blue 1, 2, 3, 4, and the total sector is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 upon 5. Questions number 6. Questions number 6. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6. Find the possibility of the event given in the question 2. Find the probabilities of the event given in question number 2. Given in question number 2. Okay. Given in question number 2. This is the question number 2. This is the question number 2. A group 360 people were asked vote for the favorite season. Okay. Then we can also solution this question according to question number 2. According to question number 2. Okay. 1 minute. According to question number 2. According to question number 2, solution. This question 6. Question number 6. Okay. Question number 6 solution. Question number 6 solution. Find the probability of the event given in the question number 2. First, out of 6 possible outcomes, out of 6 possible outcomes, a prime number can be obtained in 3 cases. A prime number can be obtained in 3 cases. Therefore, probability of getting a prime number. Probability of getting a prime number is 3 upon 6 equal to 1 upon 2. And the B question. Out of 6 possible outcomes, a prime number may not be obtained in 3 cases. Therefore, probability of getting not a prime number equal to 3 upon 6 equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. And second questions. Out of 6 possible outcomes, a number greater than 5 can be obtained in only 1 cases. Then therefore, probability of getting a number greater than 5. A number greater than 5 is 1 upon 6. B. Out of 6 possible outcomes, a number not greater than 5 can be obtained in 5 cases. Therefore, probability of getting a number not greater than 5 is 5, then 5 upon 6. Okay, thank you. This question is soluble by questions according to question number 2. Okay, thank you.